Nestled in the heart of Sellwood, this fully remodeled contemporary home combines timeless charm with modern design. Ideally located near cafes, riverfront parks, local boutiques, and shopping, it offers the best of urban living with a neighborhood feel. Originally built in 1888, this home has been completely transformed, offering more than 3,200 square feet of beautifully updated living space. Laminate flooring leads you to the spacious kitchen, a true showpiece with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. You can easily take gatherings outside to the beautiful Trex deck, overlooking the fully landscaped yard. The main level also includes an oversized bedroom and full bath, a flexible space perfect for guests or a home office. Upstairs, you can unwind in the generous primary suite. It's a true retreat, complete with dual vanities, a glass shower, and a walk-in closet. Discover a versatile loft, along with 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath. The lower level reveals even more versatility, a fully permitted 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU with its own private exterior entrance. With a full kitchen, quartz countertops, and custom cabinetry, it's ideal for supplemental income or a private guest suite. The large yard and Trex deck are ready for festive gatherings or just quiet evenings outside. With its rare combination of modern updates and flexible living spaces, this home offers endless possibilities. Whether as a profitable rental, multi-generational living, or your dream home, it's all here in one of Portland's most desirable neighborhoods. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.